beautiful freakishness. Again, Danelle Dragonetti, everyone. Sometimes I wish we were high-tech enough here at Food Train to have, like, rolling yellow song title. So, you could definitely. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Okay, who's next? Okay. All right. This is number 9, Bethany, in confronting a science killer. Give it up, Bethany!
First of all, I'd like to thank my friend, she not just for me tonight, it's a big night for me. Woo!
Yay, Bethany! We love you, Bethany!
And I was hoping that the ladies in the audience, they would please raise their hand. All the ladies. The ladies that have had a pap smear in the last 5 years, keep your hands up. Ladies that have had a pap in the last 1 to 2 years. Raise your hand. That's Ladies that don't have your hand up, I commend you and your commitment to your health. And I think, okay, thank you guys. It's you gals that are tonight. Did you know that ovarian cancer typically does not show up on a pap, ultrasound, or CT scan? I didn't not know that. Mine was found by accident during minor laparoscopic surgery to remove small cysts. No symptoms, no family history. Looking felt healthier than I had in years. I'm a 20-year vegetarian, did vitamins, exercise, generally did all the right stuff. And I'd like to add that I don't smoke cigarettes. By the way, contrary to popular myth, marijuana does not cause cancer. It does not. Recent evidence even suggests that it slows down lung cancer significantly. My cancer is in stage 3, meaning it has spread to numerous sites throughout my abdomen. Let me emphasize that I have no symptoms. None. Women, for those of you who give a shit, talk to your healthcare provider. There are some ways of detecting this insidious disease. Please do this even if you think you are too young or if you are low risk. Reproductive organs are a hotspot of cancer activity because estrogen accelerates its growth. I'm here to testify that what you don't know definitely can hurt you and maybe even kill you.